Hi, today I'm putting my chaplain hat on because, as with most things, we have to address something horrible so we can appreciate something wonderful. The horrible thing is being covered by the video from the song Smiling Faces. This is for the people out there who feel that they just woke up to a nightmare, that they have been lied to because they have been lied to. It happens, and you feel betrayed. But it's not a new thing. Smiling faces, they don't tell the truth. They don't. And if you're struggling with people that you know who believed lies, the best thing to do is to understand why they believe the lies. Now, the only reason why people believe a lie is they trusted the person that told them and they wanted to hear it. It was something they wanted to hear. That's how you get a lie through. And if you tell it often enough, more people believe it. There's a saying that tell a lie often enough, it becomes the truth. Well, no, sorry. It means more gullible people believe it as truth, but it's not. Truth is always truth. And the second part is, there's something wonderful. Today we have a new beginning. We have a new president. We have a new vice president and a new cabinet coming in. And there's hope. Well, it's the same thing when you're dealing with PTSD. There's something horrible is some lies that you probably told yourself. That you deserved what happened, that you're stuck, that it's some kind of punishment, and life is never going to be better again. You might want to hear something like that because you're afraid to move forward. You're afraid to do the work to heal. You're afraid to learn what the truth actually is. And the something wonderful is, the truth is, you can heal. Things in your life can get better. You can be happier. As with anything wonderful, it takes work. And it's step by step. The same way you came into this world. Step by step you learned. Step by step you grew. Step by step you achieve more. So yes, today is the day to start healing this nation. And today is the day to heal yourself. It's your life. Get in and drive it. See you next time.